welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we have a little tragedy, and normally I wouldn't really worry about it, but it was my mom's Christmas present and she wants me to fix it. Not make her a new one, she wants me to fix it. So I am going to take the coaster off, peel that off, and then I have got this big solid adhesive made by Super Glue that's supposed to be good for porous. It takes about 30 minutes, so you put it on there and then wait 30 minutes and then put them together. So I'm hoping that this fits together well. So it looks pretty good like that. And then I was thinking I would re-resin it, and hopefully that would help it look smooth too. So we will see. And I just wanted you guys to see how it turns out, so if it will actually work or not. So, you know, it's all about experimenting. So also, I watched the video for this, that I made this, to find out what I exactly had used, because I'm going to make some more. Just in case this doesn't look good, then Mom will have an option. So these are the colors that we're going to use. We've got the FolkArt Metallic Antique Copper, Liquitex Basics, Quinacridone Magenta, and Artez's Gold. So that's what I had used, and I made the white topper for it. And you know, when you redo things like this, it's not going to turn out the same. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but there are some really cool details in this. Mom just fell in love with it, because I let her pick which one she wanted out of all the ones I had. So we're going to try to see if we can get something similar. All right, guys, I'm going to take this part off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the cork backing off of this, and now I am going to open this. Whoa. And I am just going to apply it here, and then I'm going to allow it to dry for 30 minutes. And then we will be back. All right. We'll see how it works. I hope it looks good for Mom. All right, we will be back in 30 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make some tiles. All right, so we are going to do a bloom or two today, hopefully. And I have just made up my pillow paint. I added a little bit of floetrol and a little bit of water, but it's still really pretty thick. So I'm going to put that down. And I just use a Sherwin Williams interior semi-gloss. It's just what I bought. I'm almost done with my first gallon, so it's gone a long way. I have done a lot of these. Okay. All right. So my paints are ready, and I have mixed these with polycrylic and the Sherwin Williams the interior exterior high gloss ultra deep base. It's got to be ultra deep or it does not work. It's untinted, and they sell it at Lowe's if you're in the US. So, all right, so this is how thick I have my color paint. So I added, let's see, 2-to-1 polycrylic and the untinted ultra deep base. And then I have my topper, which is the Amsterdam titanium white mixed with floetrol and water. Actually, I don't remember which order I put these down in. I should have noticed that on the video when I was looking at it yesterday. All right, well, I'm going to put the chocolate down first this time. Try it several different ways. I've been wanting more than one of these anyway, so maybe I'll even get to keep one. How cool would that be? So I'll put down the copper, and then the magenta, and then the gold. I'm going to put one more drop of magenta. All right. Putting the topper down. Okay. Now I'm just going to try to blow it out. All right. So now we are going to give that a few minutes to come back up to the top. And I'll be right back. All right, let's get this one stretched out. There goes my dog, always. She is nothing if not consistent. All right, tilting the weight back to the middle. Then go ahead and go off this side. I'm gonna put a little bit on the corner. There we go. All right, so while I was letting the middle rise up, I did look to see which order I had put it in originally. And I had put the bronze first, then the gold, then the magenta. So it was pretty similar, but not exact. We'll do it exact next time on the next tile. Okay. Middle. All right, there we go. I am going to add a little bit of the Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner to my topper. See if that helps the cells form. Oh, there's my little spatula. I thought it was gone. There's so much stuff everywhere. Can't find what I need. Anybody else like that? Or is that just me? All right, I'm gonna put 4 drops. Because I put too much one time, I didn't like the effect, and then I only put 2 drops in there, and it looked good one time, but then after that, it really wasn't giving the effect, so I don't know. Oh, maybe a couple of drops of water. Should have just started with that. Okay, we'll see how this one does. One more drop of water. Or 2. Okay. Doesn't look like I have any bubbles left, so I'm good to go here. So I am going to do it the way I had done it when I did Mom's. So we will put the bronze down first. Then the gold. And then the magenta. And now the topper. All right. Woo! See, with the Minwax stuff, it just goes crazy with the cells. Maybe a little too much. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out. Okay. I'm gonna go that way one more time. Okay. There we go. That's what we have this time. Just gonna let it sit here for a couple minutes. Oh no. All right, be right back. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes, so now I'm going to attach these two pieces together and let it dry. Oh, it's not fitting it doesn't fit together as good as it did before the glue was in there, of course. Yeah, well, you know, doing the best I can. All right, so I'm gonna let it dry for a day, 24 hours. And then I am going, if it looks half decent, I will show you, and then I will resin over top of it. I don't know, guys, just not sure. All right, I will be back tomorrow. All right, here are the dried and resined coasters. Here is the one that was Mom's. It's correct. You can still see it, but from a little distance, it's not too bad. Yeah, I had to resin it and then sand that area down because it was puckered along the crack, and then resin it again. So it's been a royal pain. It's much easier to just make new ones. And no, they're not exact, but they are really wonderful. So here's the 3 that had the topper the way I liked it. And then this one was before I added a couple drops to the topper. So I didn't resin this one because I don't think we're keeping this one. But the other 3 are gorgeous. And I hope Mom's happy with hers, and she can have an extra one too. I'm going to let her choose which one she wants. And the other 2 will find their homes eventually. All right, well, there it is. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Can you believe I have 100 videos? That is crazy, 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 crazy. Today is my 100th video. So crazy. All right, guys. Thanks. Be inspired.